Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. One of those features that is well worth understanding how to use is Instagram's dark mode. The deeper color scheme not only allows for more immersive viewing of photos and movies, but it also has a number of other advantages that will improve and simplify your life. Using Instagram's dark mode is quite easy, regardless of whether you have the best iPhone or one of the best Android phones. So as you can see here, we are currently using a light mode. And the question is how to enable dark mode on Instagram. All you have to do is to go to your profile. On the top right corner, tap the hamburger icon. Tap settings, scroll down, and look for a theme. So we have three options here, light, dark, and system default. Click dark. So as you can see, you are using a dark mode now. Now, if you want to use light mode again, all you have to do is to go back, go to profile, click hamburger icon, go to settings, go to theme, and click light mode. Now, another way on how to enable dark mode on Instagram is to just simply swipe down and look for dark mode. Tap this one and wait for a few seconds. So here it is. By doing this, we'll enable the dark mode on your Instagram. If you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.